I need to make some modifications to my anvil base. The overall design works great and I'm happy with that, but the hardy holder never quite worked the way I expected it to, so I need to rethink that and come up with a better design. Also, I want to turn this anvil base into more of a workstation, so I'm going to be adding in the beam that I'm going to use for my stake anvil support system. So this is basically the setup that I'm after. I'm going to be switching out the turnbuckle hold down tool that I'm using now for a spring activated mechanism that's going to be located in the same spot. I just want to be able to lift the handle, slip the chain into some kind of a grab hook, and then release the handle and let the spring tension hold the hardy tool in place. I'm going to be mounting the workstation beam to the back outside corner of the anvil base. I'm left-handed and I always work with the anvil pointing left, so this back corner of the anvil never gets used for anything, so it's a perfect location for extra equipment or tools. This also moves the beam off the center line of the anvil, so I have a clear shot from the grab hook of the hold down to the base of the anvil. Depending on how I build that spring activated handle, I may need to relocate this track to the inside edge of that corner of the anvil. I don't want to eliminate that track, but I'm thinking I might need to move it to the inside to give me a little more access to that handle. And lastly, I need to relocate that pivoting tool caddy that was mounted to the back inside corner of the anvil base, so the pipe that's sticking out off the base is going to have to go. I'm not going to be welding the workstation beam to the anvil base. I want to keep my options open. So I'm going to be bolting the upright of the workstation beam to the anvil base so it can be removed easily. I may need to weld the bottom edge of the workstation beam to the anvil plate, but that'll be a very accessible weld and very easy to grind out should I ever decide to remove this beam and modify it. I'm not going to bother doing a lot of design work on this. I basically know what I want to do, so I'm just going to head out to the shop and see how the parts go together.